dear children, hope you all are doing good. So we have successfully completed 2023 and 24 board examination previous year papers. So today we are going to focus on mock question paper, right? So this is a good practice for your 2025 NEET exam. Let us begin the part 1 of the mock question paper. Here goes the very first question. Select the incorrect match with respect to taxonomic category of wheat. Genus Triticum, family Poaceae, class Dicotyledonate, division Angiospermae. Which is incorrect? Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on, children, you can do it. Yeah. Is it Dicotyledonate? No, it's Monocotyledonate, right? Not Dicotyledon. So the class is wrong here, right? Otherwise, if you see the genus, family, division is Triticum, Poaceae, and Angiospermae. Next question. Which of the following feature is not true for Euglena? They contain pigments identical to higher plants. They are strictly autotrophic. They are found in fresh water. Pellicin makes their body flexible. So which do you think is not true? Your time start 3, 2, 1 right now. Which is not a feature. Yes, so children, Euglena kind of has mixotrophic, right? They are not strictly autotrophic. They can possess both autotrophic and heterotrophic. That is, they can perform both photosynthesis and they can ingest the food, right, when light is unavailable. So yes, other points are true. Gracilaria reproduce asexually by bud formation, by biflagellated zoospores, non-motile gametes, non-motile spores. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. All these questions should be in your, the answer should be in your fingertips, right? But you should answer. Yes, the answer is non-motile spores. Basically, it is a red algae. They produce asexually by non-motile spores and sexually by non-motile gametes. Which among the following characteristic of plant is not found in the members of Fabaceae? Vexillary estivation of corolla, unilocular ovary with many ovules, actinomorphic flowers, papillonaceous corolla. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Alright, not found in the members of Fabaceae is actinomorphic flowers. So children, members of Fabaceae typically have zygomorphic flowers, not actinomorphic. C is the wrong answer. Okay, right. All of the following features are related with monocot stem except sclerenchymatous hypodermis, catted vascular bundle, presence of water containing cavities, presence of starch sheath in endodermis. Features are related to monocot except, which is not related to monocot. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, the answer is presence of starch sheath in endodermis, right? So if you see, all of the following features are related to monocot except the presence of starch sheath because monocot stems have a sclerenchymatous hypodermis, catted vascular bundle and often water containing cavities. However, the starch sheath is a characteristic feature of dicot, not monocot. During size cycle, duplication of chloroplast and tubulin protein synthesis takes place in G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, the answer is G2 phase. During the G2 phase of the cell cycle, if you see, both the chloroplast duplication and tubulin protein synthesis takes place. This phase is crucial for preparing the cell for mitosis by synthesizing proteins like tubulin, which is essential for spindle fiber formation and ensuring organelles such as chloroplast are duplicated to support cell division. The answer is G2 phase. The size of a typical bacterial cell is 10 to 20 micrometer, 1 to 2 micrometer, 0.1 micrometer, 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. The typical size of a bacterial cell. The answer is 1 to 2 micrometer, which allows it to be visible under light microscope, and the size is characteristic of most prokaryotic cells like E. coli. Which of the following is not associated with cyclic photophosphorylation? Requirement of external electron donor, production of ATP, involvement of PS1, that is photosystem 1 occurrence in stroma lamellae, which is not associated with cyclic photophosphorylation. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, requirement of external electron donor, right? So in cyclic photophosphorylation, if you see electron released from photosystem 1 and cycle back to it through a series of carriers, since there is no need for an external electron donor, okay? This process leads to production of ATP only with no NADPH formation and no oxygen evolution. It typically occurs in the stroma lamellae, which is photosystem, where the photosystem 2 is absent. True. Which of the following reaction represents substrate level phosphorylation that occurs during Krebs cycle? Phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvic acid, succinyl-CoA to succinic acid, glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, alpha-ketoglutaric acid to succinyl-CoA. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Substrate level phosphorylation that occurs during Krebs cycle. And the answer is succinyl-CoA to succinic acid. So basically, this reaction represents substrate level phosphorylation in the Krebs cycle, where GTP or ATP molecule is directly synthesized from GDP and inorganic phosphate using the energy released during the conversion of succinyl-CoA to succinic acid. Others, if you see A occurs in glycolysis, C in ATP consuming, D in carboxylation. All of the following can be present in a typical angiospermic seed except embryo seed coat endosperm pericarp. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now, which is absent in a typical angiospermic seed. Yes, pericarp. Pericarp, if you see, in a typical angiospermic seed, the embryo seed coat and the endosperm are commonly present as a part of the seed structure. However, the pericarp is not a part. It is the fruit wall that develops from the ovary after fertilization. Hence, pericarp is external to the seed and not included within a typical seed structure. With that, we are completing today's session. I hope you all enjoyed the 10 quizzes. Yeah. So keep practicing, children. All the best for your exams. Keep yourself hydrated, stay calm and composed, and do follow all the neat tips which I am giving in the short videos. And if you're really enjoying, do like, share, and subscribe. Tada, bye bye. Take care.